Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on New Criminal Law 2023 Enhancing the Safety of Women and Children in English. Introduction. In 2023, several new criminal laws were enacted in English jurisdictions aimed at enhancing the safety of women and children. This legislative measure reflects growing concern over issues such as gender-based violence, child abuse, and the overall security of vulnerable population. The following analysis explores key provision impact and societal responses to these significant legal changes. Legislative provisions, key provision of new laws. First, stricter penalties for gender-based violence. The new law introduced harsher punishment for crimes like domestic violence, sexual assault, and stalking when perpetrated against women. This include mandatory minimum sentences and broader definition to encompass various forms of abuse. Second point, enhanced support services. Recognizing the critical need for support services, the law mandate the establishment and enhancement of support mechanism for victims. This include shelter, counseling services, legal aid and rehabilitation program tailored to the specific need of women and children affected by violence and abuse. Third, preventive measure. The law emphasizes preventive measure through education and awareness campaigns aimed at promoting gender equality, respect, and understanding among all members of society. Schools, communities, and workplace are encouraged to actively participate in this initiative to foster a culture of safety and respect. Fourth, legal reforms. Legislative reforms have been introduced to streamline legal processes and ensure swift justice for victims. This include expedited court procedures, specialized court for cases involving women and children, and provision for victim testimony and protection. Fifth point, technological advancement. Leveraging technology, the laws incorporate measures to combat cybercrime, online harassment, and exploitation of children through digital platforms. This include stringent regulation for social media platform and online services to prevent the dissemination of harmful content and protect vulnerable users. Impact on society. Empowerment of victim of violence and abuse now have better access to justice and support services, empowering them to seek help and break free from abuse situations. Second, cultural shift. There is a noticeable shift in societal attitudes towards violence against women and children with increased awareness and condemnation of such acts, fostering a supportive environment for victims. Third, community engagement. Communities are actively engaged in preventing violence and supporting victims, demonstrating a collective commitment to promoting safety and well-being. Challenges and future direction. First, implementing challenges. Ensuring consistent implementation of laws across different regions and communities require sufficient resources, training for law enforcement, and coordination among stakeholders. Second, addressing cultural barriers. Deep-rooted cultural norms and attitude towards gender roles and women's rights pose challenges to achieving comprehensive protection and support for victims. Looking ahead, continued efforts are needed to monitor the effectiveness of these laws, address emerging challenges, and adapt strategies to meet evolving societal needs. Conclusion. The new criminal law of 2023 represents a significant step towards creating a safer and more equitable society for women and children. By strengthening penalties, enhancing support services, promoting prevention, and leveraging technology, these laws aim to protect vulnerable population from violence and exploitation. Through ongoing advocacy, education, and community engagement, we can build upon the foundation laid by this law and strive towards a society where the rights and dignity of every individual are respected and upheld. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video.